Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple Microsoft Excel form that you can use to enter data. You can also use the form to amend, delete and look up records within your spreadsheet. I'm also going to show you how to create a simple button that you can use to launch the form within this spreadsheet. Just for example, if I click new here, then I want to enter, then lastly I'll just enter random. This form that I have created here, the new guest list, let's just say these are new people who maybe want to be booking into a hotel or something. So we want to create a form that we are going to use to populate this new guest list. Right? In other words, if I was to enter information, I can do straight into the spreadsheet, which is very slow and sometimes subject to errors as well, right? Can you see that? Instead of me doing this, I can simply create a form. So in order for me to be able to create a form, then I need to visit the quick access toolbar here. Okay, click here because I don't have any command that is going to allow me to create a form. So I look for more commands. Right, no commands. Let me look for maybe all commands. Then I look for form. Just going to try and scroll down quickly so that I can find form and I can add it to my quick access toolbar. Right, here is form. Then I add and I click OK. Right, so here now I have this button that is going to allow me to launch a form, right? Instead of going this route of the quick access toolbar, we can also come here on Microsoft Office search and you can still type form and something like that. So what we need to do now is let us launch our form, right? And if I launch my form, you are going to see that I already have the form here. And if I want to enter my new guest, we can still go through the same process that I showed you earlier. Miss phone number. Okay, and I press enter. Right, I've created my new record. I can still add another record. I'm just entering random information. I'll enter random numbers here again. Right. There we go. So I have managed to create a form that is going to allow me to enter information in my spreadsheet, right? Or on my new guest, right? So I can also use my form to delete records if I want to. Let's say this is Mr. Oliver. Let me find next. This is Zachary. But let's say I have made an error when entering Mr. Zachary's name, maybe Zachariah. Then I can amend it and you can see it is changing as well. Or I can totally delete if I find out that I have entered totally wrong information or for some reason I want the new guest to be removed from the new guest list. I may delete the record. Do you want to really delete permanently? I can click OK, right? So this is how we can use or create a form to enter information in a spreadsheet rather than entering information directly to our spreadsheet. Now, that we have created a form, I want to show you how to create a button that is going to be part of our form so that we can launch our form easily, right? So what we need to do is now to create or to design a macro, right? So if we are here, we come to the developer tab, then we go to record macro, right? I want my macro to be able to launch the form, so I will name it launch form. Then I can click OK, right? Then I click on my form here. I can also close it and stop recording, right? So let me check if my macro is working. Macro launch form, yes. Then run, there is my form. So I can easily enter other records as well. So then we have the new information, as you can see, right? So actually my macro is working, but I need also to make it more user-friendly. I need to add a button on my new guest list so that I can easily launch my form, right? While I'm on the developer tab, I can go to insert button. Then I can, here is my button, right? What do I want? I want to assign a macro to my button. I want to assign the launch form macro. Then I can click OK. So you can see that now I have a button here. I just want it to make some sense. So I'm going to type enter new guest. There is my button. You can make it bigger or design it or whatever you want to. But let us now test if our button is going to launch the form. So if I click here, it should launch the form, right? Now I can even navigate through if I want to look up some information. Can you see as I go down, basically we have managed to create a form. We also managed to create a button that we can use to launch the form, which is quite cool. So we can actually see that it is easier for us to enter information using forms rather than entering information directly into our spreadsheet. Meet you in the next video. See you all. Bye.